Let's get that a little bit hotter. It's still not quite there yet.
Oh yeah, you're taking a video.
Yeah, a little bit of video. I gotta show the guys
That you're actually.
that I'm actually blacksmithing in 30-degree weather in the middle of Alaska. Yay me. This coal is from North Pole gravel. And it doesn't, what's the word I'm looking for? It doesn't coke up. It turns to ash. But it does get hot. And it definitely works, and we've been working with it to make some chisels. So if you're in central Alaska, this isn't a bad coal to use, and it's only $7 a bag.